Hello everyone, how are you? Good to see you. Welcome back to my another live stream on my YouTube channel. Today is 30th of January on Thursday, and I'm here to share analysis among the markets. Today I'm doing this live stream in different time schedule because I'm in Asian time zone right now. But hopefully you enjoy the live, and if you're watching this archive also, I hope you learn something new from today's live stream. So, and also one quick announcement is that for those who took my free KTS course, you will be receiving an email today, later, about 9 hours later, regarding one of the promotions on my service. So please look forward to that email. It may go to your spam box, spam folder. So please check, and please don't miss out. Okay, so now let me start the live stream by saying hi to everyone first. Okay, hello Ichimoku Trader, good to see you. Thank you for joining. All right, Tony Gold, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. And Alejandro, good to see you. From Colombia, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. And Gabby, good to see you too. Thank you very much. Okay, Yvonne, good to see you. Dinro, good to see you too. And Dynasty, thank you very much for joining. Finally, a good time to stream to Australian viewers. Yeah, exactly. So I think sometimes it's good to do the live in different schedule, different time zone, so that new viewers or the viewers who have been watching the archive can really join the live this time. So you can leave comments, you can communicate, you can message me through the chat, and I think that would be great. Yes. All right, Nemanja, hello, good to see you. Thank you for joining. Hello, Islam. No, I'm not. Okay, Samar, yes, I will share that. Yes, in a few days. All right, General says, I'm just learning this and enrolled in a free KTS Academy. Very nice. Oh, thank you very much for joining. Yes. So once you have joined the free KTS Academy, then you get the overall strategy of myself regarding how to look for the trending markets. Well, first of all, the philosophy of my strategy as a trend follow by using Ichimoku, and also how to enter exit trades, stop loss, risk management, and psychology management too. But the overview of the whole structure of my strategy. And if you learn more deeper level and also detailed exactly in which situations you enter exit trades, then you feel free to join the KTS Academy course. And today the email is going to be about the promotion of this KTS Academy. So for those who took the free KTS course, please look forward to email today. That will be sent in about 9 hours later, but yeah, please look forward to the email. Okay, check gold. Okay, I will check the gold as it's bullish now. Yes. Prosperity, good to see you. Hello, Rafael. Thank you for joining. Good to see you too. All right. Konja, good to see you from Ghana. Good to see you. All right. Adam, thank you for joining. All right. Oh, thank you very much for the comment about my haircut. Good to see you. All right, General, you're welcome too. Okay, so now let me switch the screen to trading view and do the analysis. Looks like the Forex markets are ranging this week. Very choppy and no trends, but we can always analysis by Ichimoku price action to expect which way the market moves potentially, so that we can create the scenarios, and once the market really start to move according to your scenario direction, then that's the ones you take trades. if the market goes against your scenario, or if the market doesn't move like sideways, then you don't simply trade. And that's my style. So I'm not here to predict the future, but it's better to create the scenarios that way so that you can anticipate which way the market potentially moves. So this week I have been monitoring some of the CAD pairs because they were moving a lot last week, but this week they are retracing, ranging. So one of the pairs I was watching was Euro CAD. I was waiting for the price to move up all the way to 1.5172, and along the way up I was going to buy, but looks like now it's retracing, so it's going to touch that Tenkan-sen, and since Tenkan-sen angle is bullish up like this way, so I think the price will bounce and goes up continuously. But today Thursday, tomorrow Friday, and may not really move that much, so maybe not this one this week. And also pound CAD I was watching and waiting for the Kumo breakout, Senko span A breakout, and waiting for the market to be bullish, especially 4-hour time frame. If you took my free KTS course, then you know I follow either daily or 4-hour time frames. So 4-hour at the moment is bullish according to my strategy KTS, because the Kumo is up and Kijun-sen is also up. This Kumo is darker gray Kumo, and here is the lighter gray Kumo. The light gray Kumo is bearish Kumo, and dark gray Kumo is bullish Kumo in my color setting. And when it's bullish Kumo, the lower line is called Senko span B, and upper line is called Senko span A. And the area between the Senko span A and B is called Kumo, right? Kumo, or cloud in English. So now Kumo is moving up and it's bullish Kumo, and Kijun-sen has been up now, and the price is now above the Tenkan-sen, and Chikou span is locating above the candlesticks. So momentum is bullish, and it may break the resistance and continues bullish this way. So now I'm again waiting for the bullish momentum. And according to my strategy, since I check the Kumo, especially Senko span B and Senko span A angles, and also the Kijun-sen angle, this is now aligned bullish. So I say 4-hour at the moment is bullish on pound CAD pair. And if I just go down to the 1-hour time frame, this is what I mean by the confirmation phase. Just because 4 hours bullish, I don't simply execute the trades, I don't jump in the market, because I want to see the lower time frame situations so that the market can really move up and down, and I don't want to get caught by the retracement, or I don't want to jump in the market simply. So again, if you take the free KTS course, then you know what I'm talking about. So you can feel free to join below the description and take that free course. So here is 1 hour time frame. This is my confirmation, trend confirmation phase. After 4 hour trend is confirmed, 1 hour at the moment to me is range, because it's been also very choppy, and I see inside bar here from the price action, and Kumo is up now, but Chikou span has been sideways, and price is between Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, and it's clear that you see its range. There's no bullish momentum here, so I think the market continue to range for a few more hours. So it's either today or tomorrow if the market start to move up this way, and when I see the potential breakout, I don't mind entering the trade. But at the moment, I don't see that. So this is not the market to be in a trade at the moment. It's been very choppy. And also, the market is in a P wave. The highs are lower and the lows are higher. So it may be wise to wait for the P wave breakout as well from the price action perspective. So in anyways, momentum is quite weak, and the strength of this pair, pound CAD at the moment, is very weak. So I think that even if I buy this market, I'm not gonna sell because it's bullish in 4 hours. So even if I buy right now, let's say I execute the buy, and the market, let's say, doesn't go move towards my direction. Instead, the market just becomes range like this way. Then I may have to wait for a few hours, or maybe until tomorrow, or if it worse, then I may have to wait for until next week until the market breaks bullish this way finally. And this is not a really time efficient trade to me. Instead, I prefer to pick the market where the market potentially goes my direction after the entry. So time efficiency is another important aspect of my strategy. And I can really see that through Ichimoku this way. So, and also the price action and the currency strength. So at the moment, currency strength is not really strong on pound CAD. So this is not really the good market to trade. I mean, you can enter buy and keep holding or keep waiting until it breaks P wave bullish or breaks the resistance and goes up. Then you run profits finally. But if you're a swing trader, more like a long term, then I think that's also good. But for myself, my style is not like the swing to hold a couple of days or weeks. Instead, I prefer to enter, exit my trades according to the momentum of the market at the time of the entry. So instead, if the market's range like this in 1 hour, then I prefer to leave the chart for now and come back, visit back maybe a few hours, 3-4 hours later, and see if the market has momentum. Sometimes, at the news, let's say today is now Asian session, but later on there will be UK session happens, and then New York happens. So when these sessions happens, or when there's a big news fundamentals, then the market may pick up the direction strengths. Then I think that will be the better situation for me to enter trades then. I mean, yeah, I don't enter trades before the news, but after the news, after the session open hours, then I think that will be better situation to enter trades for me. So for now, this is my overview. Again, I remember that 4-hour pound CAD is bullish now. So I monitor chart. I mean, I come back this chart, visit back this chart like a few hours later and see if it goes bullish. Another pair I was looking at was AUD-CAD. Here is the daily time frame. AUD-CAD, I was more looking at the weekly time frame, as Kijun Sen has been completely flat, which was on 0.9113, and I was waiting for the market to go up this way. First comes above the weekly Kumo, and also if that happens, then the daily candlesticks goes into the Kumo, and then eventually it exits above the Kumo, and this is again where the weekly Kijun Sen is. So once it reaches and breaks Kumo and breaks the Kijun Sen, then my view was bullish after this. So I was getting ready to buy because 4 hours was bullish last week. So I followed a 4-hour bullish trend. Let me see if I just pick the 4-hour time frame here, then 4-hour has been bullish like this way, and Kumo already twisted. Chikou span already came above the candles, and I saw the bullish momentum here. So if it continues, I was going to buy and keep holding as it goes higher and higher, but seems like it didn't happen. Now it's retracing, and 4-hour is now becoming range to me because it simply goes into the Kumo. So ADCAD is another market which has a very weak momentum at the moment. If you look at the strength chart also, currency strength chart, you can actually Google search currency strength and Forex, and you can find many websites that captures the strengths of each pair in Forex. But yeah, this market is now, the strength is really low. So, and also what's more, the 4 hours now going into the Kumo. So this is not really a good market to trade at the moment. So yeah, these were mainly the 3 pairs I have been watching this week. I did this analysis on Monday, and I shared this in KTS Academy and GTS graduate members. But yeah, these are basically the markets I was monitoring mainly. But I scan all the markets every day anyways. Now they are all seems to be range. So this week was a good week to, I think, backtest some practice, and you don't have to trade this week. Okay, I see one comment from House. It says Euro CAD tenkan-sen kijun-sen kinko hyo above resistance zone. Okay, let me check. Euro CAD. No, Euro CAD. Yeah. Hold on, let me see. This one and daily time frame. Right. There was a tenkan-sen kijun-sen cross. Yes, above the resistance zone. So I think the market is now bullish. Overall, this is in the bullish wave like this way. So yeah, seems like the bullish N wave continues this way. But we will see how it moves. And also, I got request to check the gold, and I was going to mention about the gold today, since I'm sure lots of people are curious about how it's moving. So let me also touch on that one. Okay, so here is the gold chart. This is a daily time frame, and like I mentioned on the previous analysis, the market has been supported by the trend line. So you can extend the trend line this way, all the way, and could reach, I mean, even if the market retraces, I think in the future the market will be resisted, supported by the trend line, and goes up this way. And so far, exactly on 21st of January, the market broke the resistance. And also 2721.52 resistance level was broken bullish, and it has been supported by the tenkan-sen. So to me, it's bullish still. There's no sign of the retracement at the moment. It's now consolidating this week, no trend this week, but it can go up anytime, and could be due to one of the big newses this week and next week. We have lots of big news this week and today and tomorrow. So yeah, we just have to wait for the bullish momentum to happen anytime. So it may be good to come back this market in session openings like UK session open or New York session open. Then the momentum will pick up more, and if one of these big news affects the market, then it may turn bullish this way. Yeah, so far it's ranging this week, But and also I see that there is inside bar here, inside. So if in this case I prefer to wait for the break of 2773.50 and see if it reaches 2800. So if you look at this market in this inside bar from 1 hour perspective, then it looks like this way. So here was a huge downtrend. Then this is becoming inside at the moment. So within the inside, you see now potential N wave. It's been supported by the Kumo. Chikou span is at the moment below the candles, but it may come up above the candles this way. Kumo is bullish. So if Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross happens, then it may be the sign of the inside bar breakout in a daily time frame. So we can wait for that to happen, or simply wait for that resistance breakout in 1 hour, which is over here. This is more like a lower time frame analysis, but you can wait for that resistance breakout of 2766.16 level here. Then there is more higher chance that the market breaks the daily resistance and goes up this way. I like how the market turns bullish a couple of hours ago here, exactly on this white bullish bar. This was a reverse, typical reverse market by outside. So market has been coming down this way, then outside happened, then outside and doji plus, doji breakout happened exactly on this white candlestick. Then it has been bullish so far. So I see the sellers were dominant over here, but now buyers picking up the market and it's moving up this way. In this case, most likely it reaches 2766.16 and see if it breaks. So gold is to me bullish still in this reason. So let's see how the market affects. I mean how the news affects in this market. Yeah, and also I get some requests to do WTI analysis a few days ago. WTI here is the daily time frame. It's been retracing and now it's below the Kijun Sen, and Chikou span is coming closer to the candles. So this is now becoming range. It's downtrend, it's bearish in a short term, as Tenkan Sen is now pointing down. But if you look at the weekly time frame overall, in a bigger picture, it's more like range. The price may come down to the support 66.47, coming down this way, but overall is range. So again, in this situation, the momentum is very weak, and it may not really, move that much. Also, the market has been resisted by this descending trend line. It was a P wave before, and P wave was broken bearish, and and this P wave support became the resistance, and it was about to break bearish, but it didn't. It held here, then it went up somehow, but now it's been resisted again, and now it's coming down. So before it was P wave, but now this is more like descending triangle, like this way. So supports are at the same level, and resistances are going lower. This is called the descending triangle, descending P wave. So in this reason also, it's more likely that the market goes bearish and reach 66.47. So yeah, it's coming down definitely on this market. Okay, let me see. Okay, this week I'm watching WBA on Nasdaq. Nice bullish momentum developing in the daily time frame. Okay, so should be Kumo is up, Kijun-sen up, Chikou span above, everything's bullish then. Yes. I think it's nice to pick up some trending market. In stock markets, I think it's better. Forex are like all range. So Forex traders are, it's time to back test or, look back your trades or just, take a rest and come back in a few days. Nifty and Bitcoin. Okay, Nifty chart. Let me quickly do that. Nifty has been bearish, like I did on the weekly analysis, and it's still down. Still downtrend. Yeah, it's been down. This is daily time frame. The price is now below the Kijun-sen, Chikou span below the candles. It broke the support level of 274. It's coming down. Yeah, it's been resisted by the descending trend line also. So this is downtrend. This is not the good moment to buy yet. Yeah. Okay, I do analysis on Sunday again on this Nifty chart, but so far I don't see any sign of the bullishness. So if you are looking for a buying opportunity, then this is not the right timing yet. It may come down to 22,557. So we'll see. Yeah, let's wait until downtrend stops, at least consolidate. After downtrend stops, then the market consolidates and goes up, right? In that case, I look at the Ichimoku 5-line situation again and see if it turns bullish. So yeah, let me keep updated on this one on Sunday's weekly forecast. All right, hello James, good to see you. Thank you for joining. You wake up so late, so early. I mean, thanks for joining. All right, same with a lot of stocks. Market is matured. Okay, I see. Yeah, looks like it's now all range everywhere. Even gold is not moving up anymore. I mean, it's consolidating at the moment. So yeah, this week is a bit quiet market overall. Dynasty says I closed all CAD and USD positions due to policy. I sell before news, but I've gotten back into USD longs and shorted multiple AD pairs. Okay. Do you close positions over pound, interest rate update, etc. for Forex pairs? I do. Even if it's, well, actually, my rule is that if I don't set the break even, then I exit my positions. If I set break even, then I keep holding my trade because the market may move towards my direction at interest rate or any fundamental news, and the market, if the news affects the market big, then the market goes towards my direction and I make profits. But even if the market retraces, it just hit my break even and I don't lose anyways. So yeah, I set break even, then I keep holding at the news. Yes, but if the price is too close to break even, then it may hit, right? Or your positions may be taken away by the spread. Usually the spread becomes bigger at the fundamental news, so it may be a bit risky to keep holding. So in that case, I prefer to just exit my positions with small profits, small losses, and come back after the news. Yes, nice friend, you're welcome. Okay, Happy New Year, Happy Chinese New Year. Yes, thank you, doctor. Thank you for joining. All right, Mahamud, good to see you. Thank you for joining as well. All right, and Vic, good to see you too. Good to see you. Welcome to join. All right, Stupid Bitcoin, good to see you. Thank you for joining as well. So yeah, finally, let me do BTC USD analysis. Okay, so cryptos, BTC USD, and here is the daily time frame. Okay, so BTC USD from Ichimoku perspective, I mean from KTS analysis perspective, it's range. Kumo is on the sideways, Kijun-sen sideways. The market is now range, but seems like it's turning bullish. It has actually made a double bottom here, and sorry, there was a double bottom here, and the neckline breakout happened. After the neckline breakout, the market was supported by the Kijun-sen, and looks like now it's turning bullish. And there was also a pin bar reverse. Here was a pin bar candlestick, and pin bar broke bullish this way here. So looks like BTC USD is now heading towards 110,000. So that's the daily analysis. Let me also check the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is bullish. It's above the Tenkan-sen, and it has been supported by the Tenkan-sen for the last few weeks. So weekly is bullish, so daily may turn bullish too from now. Yes, from here actually it's range. Overall, it has been ranged, but yeah, this could be turned to bullish in the wave. Okay, so but if let's say the market comes down and comes below Kijun-sen and Kumo, then that's the sign of the range. So no more trade in that case. So maybe you can, if you want to buy now, then you put the stop loss below the Kijun-sen or below the pin bar and see how it goes. I think that will be a good scenario to trade. So buy here and see if the market reaches that resistance this way. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see. Dynasty says, what's your outlook for pound? I know there is a policy update, but the breakout seems amazing. I think my outlook on pound is bullish overall. It's up to the interest rate this time, but I would say the pound is bullish now overall from the currency strengths. I mean, if the pound becomes stronger, then we will see some new trends. So I hope it happens in Forex. All right, stupid. Yes, Rafael, you're welcome. Thanks so much for the comment. Okay, so now that was overall analysis for today's live stream. Basically, it's range. Basically, markets are range. So no trades. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining today. And after this, I will be doing the KTS Academy and the GTS graduate members live stream. and the link is in Discord, so I look forward to seeing you soon. And to those who are joining in public YouTube live stream, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining again, and thank you so much for the support as always. Again, today, about 8 hours later, I will be sending out the email about the promotion to those who took the free KTS course. So please check the inbox, including spam box, please. Okay, so thanks so much again. Until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, stay gold. Bye for now. またね. Thank you so much.